All right, what do we got? Inspiration for exquisite lifestyle. It is the EZVALO Puck Pro. It looks like there are some sort of rechargeable lights. Let's have a look. Yep, there are 3 of them. And it looks like magnetic. This has got a... Oh, so here's the light. And it looks like they're magnetic. So this has a peel off adhesive. This sticks to your surface, and then the light will stick to that. They give you 3 of them in the box. You get 1 charging cable and your emotional control. And I'll pull out the plastic tab. Okay. There seems to be a piece of plastic over the sensors. Okay, so that's what I have. So there is a switch. The switch says G1, G2. I'm going to put it over to G1. And put this one over to G1. Seems to be relatively bright. This one over to G1. Let's put this one over to G2. Let's see what happens. Oh, I see. So you have like 2 channels. So this one is the only one that's on G2. So if I hit the G2 button, okay. So if I go, let me put them all on the same. It's kind of like, I think there's like 2 channels. Okay, so G1. So if I hit G1 on here, they all acknowledge, okay, G1. If I hit off, they all go off. Okay? If I hit on, they're all on G1, they go off. I can set the color temperature at 3K, 5K, they all go to, okay. Then I have a brightness control. It seems like they're on the highest brightness. And if I push this, I can dim them down. It's kind of cool, right? So if I wanted to have 2 different sort of zones, use them in 2 different places, I'm going to put just this one on G2. Okay, so if I shut them off, these 2 should go off, that one should stay on. Yep, see? And then let's have the brightness high on this one. And then we'll go G1. And we'll turn the G1 lights on. And you notice, ooh, the brightness. Okay, so crank up the brightness on these. You can see that one. Now I'm going to turn I leave the brightness bright on this one. Then I'm going to go to G2. And now I can turn on that one. And I can control its brightness up or down, independent of the other 2. And I can also, let's crank that back up. I can also, it's probably hard to tell on camera, but I can change its color temperature independent of the other ones. Pretty neat. Pretty cool. You get the remote, like I said, you get the remote. Let's turn this off. Okay, and then go to oh, they all went off. That's interesting as heck. So the on and off are global. The G1 and G2, you can set independent color settings and change the timing. That's pretty nifty. Seems to be pretty well made. The plastic is nice. I'm not sure what this the sensor. Okay, so the sensor's day and night mode. You can set them to day and night mode. I see. Let's see if there's any distractions. Okay. So when you hit the button, it tells you which ones are on what channel. So if I hit G1, these two flash tell me they're on the channel. If I hit G2, then okay. Okay, so the instructions are so small that they're going to be hard to read. And this side appears to be in French, in German. There we go. Yeah, so you can have two groups, group 1 and group 2. Okay. So they do have a motion sensor. But I'm guessing they have to be on. And then if I put it on night or day, this is definitely one of those things that you're going to have to test outside, because it's like a daylight type of affair. But they do have motion sensors. And they come on. Like if you notice a couple of times they came on, I didn't push any buttons. That was the motion sensor happening. But I gotta say, this is just an unboxing video, first impressions, that sort of thing. They're cool. I like them. I dig them. All right, that's it.